My interest in engineering kind of stemmed from my love of just aircraft. 1 second you're on the ground, the next you're in the air, and this is kind of like a mind-blowing kind of moment. And if every time we'd go on like a family holiday or we'd go to an airport, I'd insist on going to like the gift shop and buying a plane. From a young age, I kind of knew the names, so like Rolls-Royce Trent engines. Getting a Rolls-Royce internship was something that I couldn't quite believe. Experience like this, where you're understanding what it's like being an engineer day to day and what it actually consists of, I think that just gives you a massive advantage.
By having a year in industry, you can almost break out of the student mindset.
The greatest value the year in industry has added to not only my degree but just to me personally is knowing what's going to be ahead of me in the future. Having the experience of being in a working environment and just understanding how different it is to actually being at uni. You learn so much more in crazy ways. You can see how passionate people get about kind of working here and about what they do, and that kind of energy is quite addictive.
Adam's an incredibly enthusiastic person, interested and curious in everything that you say, and that's really what we're looking for at Rolls-Royce.
It wasn't kind of one of those where you rock up, they'll give you just some boring admin-y stuff and then you'd be going off to make coffees and teas. It's nothing like that at all. It's very much the opposite, where I was involved in quite a few projects early on.
Every intern or engineering graduate will have a chance to work on a real-life engineering problem. We want people to be inspired by the real hand engineering tasks that are out there.
It was really nerve-wracking actually. I was like, okay, now got to kind of prove myself. I think one of the things that was really quite cool was the fact that I'm working on a future program engine. It is pioneering stuff. It's quite humbling to know that I'm trusted to do that. There's been a few people in my team that have really helped me out. It has been very important to have a supportive environment around me. They make you feel comfortable enough to ask any questions, so it's good to be a part of a team like that. There's a culture here about kind of developing yourself as a person and really thinking about where you want to go in the future. The biggest thing I've gained from this is the mindset change. When I go back to uni next year, I'll still have that work ethic, and I'll hopefully bring some of it to my final year at Swansea University. I've had this amazing chance. Potential employers and other companies will recognise that, and it puts me in great position for the future.